Hi, Dobby the Fishing Elf here, and in today's video I'll show you how to change the coolant temperature sensor on this Peugeot 206 with a 1.4 petrol engine. The first step in this repair is to drain the coolant. I haven't shown you that in this video as I plan to show you that in a future video. To remove the connector from the sensor, it's just a matter of giving it a gentle little squeeze and then pulling up and it will pop off. They can be a bit tricky sometimes, but yes, go gentle because they are quite fragile. Once you get it off, it's always worth having a look inside the connector to see if there's any corrosion. To remove the sensor from the engine, it's a matter of using a 19mm deep socket. You can do this with a spanner, but it's so much easier with a 19mm deep socket than it is with a spanner. Once you have it cracked loose, it's just a matter of spinning it out by hand. I often just take the ratchet off and just spin it out with my fingers. And then once you get it to the point where you've easier, just put your fingers on it and just spin it out by hand so you can remove it easily, as you can see here. Now it's time to reinstall the new sensor. Start by threading it in by hand, just so you don't cross thread it. Last thing you want to do is cross thread it here. It'll be a right nightmare to sort out. Once you have it started though, you can move on to your ratchet. Just keep tightening it down till you think it's tight enough. It doesn't take very long. Then it's just a matter of reinstalling the connector. If you push it on and clicks away, you'll hear a little click. Once that's done, it's time to refill your coolant. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.